Bejuanin Anishinaabe students. Today we are going to read parts of Kim the Pig. But first, before we do that, we're going to review some heart words that you may have forgotten or don't know. And we are going to learn how to mark some CVC or consonant, vowel, consonant words so that it's easier for you to blend and decode these words. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to review the heart words or the sight words that we are going to be using today. The first heart word that we're going to use is the word she. She. You know, the SH, which is a digraph, says sh, and this is an open E, so the word is she. The next heart word or sight word we are going to learn is eat. Eat. You hear the E and the T, but you don't hear the A. The only letter in this word, if you're going to be writing it, that you need to really remember, because you hear the long E and you hear the T at the end, is the A. So eat. This word is eat. What's this word? Good job. Okay, we've talked about said before, and said is, you already know two sounds in this word. You know the S and you know the D. All you have to remember is the AI says S, ed. This word is said. This word, you know the G sound and you know the D sound. But you don't know the This double O here makes an sound. This word says good. Good. You are doing a good job learning these heart words. Well done. You've stuck with me this far. Okay. Now, quickly, we're going to review these words, and it's part of my assignment. I'm going to have you do the same thing that we're going to practice doing right here with me. Okay, so let's look at this top word here. This says k, d, kid. Let's blend it together. K, d, kid. I want to know what the vowel sound is, so I am going to underline the I. And I know that because there's two consonants, there's consonant here and the consonant at the end. It's a closed word, and the vowel will be short. So this I is going to say I, as in itch. Okay, and the last sound I'm going to circle, and it says D. So all I have to really remember is k, I, d, kid. Okay, let's practice what we just did with this word. This is a market, and it's a way to help you learn how to learn these words and learn some of the patterns and the sounds and practice, okay? That's why we have you do this, is to make it easier, because the more you do it, the faster your brain gets used to doing it and the better you're going to get at doing it. So what's the vowel? We know this is the vowel because we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are all short vowels, so they're A, E, I, Okay? So we know that the vowel is A, and we know the last sound is D. Okay? So what's the first sound? That sound is H, A, had. Okay, let's do this word. What's the vowel? That's correct. It's E, as in edge. Let's underline it. And the last sound is T, like in tiger. Et. Okay, let's put the P in front of it. Et, pet. Wow, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go on to this one. Here we go. This is because we know it's short, because it's a consonant, vowel, consonant, and it's a closed syllable, we know that it's going to say I. So I'm underlining the vowel, circling the last sound. That says g. The first sound we know is p, g, pig. All right, we have 2 more to go and we're almost done. All right, here we go. What's the vowel? I. What's the last sound? I, Put the k in front of it. K, I, Kim. That's the name Kim. Okay, let's look at this one. Where's the vowel? It's right here in the middle. It says ah. What's the last sound? Oh. Put the first sound in the front of it and it says p, a, o, pal. We've also probably learned that these 2 sounds say ow, but for this exercise, we'll keep doing it this way. Okay, so here we go. Kid, had, pet, pig, Kim, pal. Oh, did I forget to say that last word? P-a-o, pal. Okay, and just a reminder, the heart words are she. We know this digraph. It says sh, and this E is open and long because it is open. It's long. Okay, this says eat, said, and good. Okay, excellent job paying attention. All right, so we are finished for right now, and we will go on to reading Kim the Pig. See you later. Bye.